A, sometimes stylized as A, is an academic grade that indicates excellent performance on a test, assignment, or project. It is often contrasted with F, which stands for failing to meet expectations. The letter A is commonly associated with achievement, success, and excellence.
Get up there. What do you say? Oh, hurry. It's golden. Right, Ken. Oh, that's golden then. That's golden. Oh, baby girl. Silent girl. I love you. William, I love you. Meow. Alright, it works. Get back to work. Get back to work. Alexa, what's the parrot? What the boy? Alexa, what's the boy? What the boy? Seeking, feed that booty. You'll be like a broken. You want some pumpkin? Oh, baby girl. Can I have a kiss? Alright, come here. Step up. Don't mess with me. What are you, good girl? Slime kids, water. Red bum again. Red bum again. Step up. Don't miss terrible towel. Don't make a terrible towel. Come on. Come on. Look at you. You want some pumpkin? You want some pumpkin? Hmm? Uh-oh, poopies. Uh-oh, poopies. What are you doing? You crazy. Give me a kiss. Oh, now, look at Simon Brian. You're looking so too. Feed that booty. Feed that booty. Feed that booty. Because you want some water. You want pumpkin. Hello? I'm girlfriend. It's hot. It's cold in here. It's cold in here. I'm Simon Turner. Feed you. Feed that booty. Feed that booty. Feed that booty. Robin, well, it's cold in here. It's cold in here. Alright, I'll be right back. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes. What are you doing? Oh, baby. Want some pumpkin? You want some pumpkin? Come on. Alexa, what do you think?
I think about how I can better help people.
Good job, simple. Oh, baby. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give it. Oh, look at that. You know, that's terrible. It's terrible. See that booty. See that. Big cat. cold. That's cold. Right, now, look at you. That's American. You want so good?